Hey guys, I've been out for a while, been very busy. I've been doing a lot of things lately and I haven't been uploading a vlog. So right now I have the time to update the vlog. Apparently, I'm in some weird space right now, which is my garage. As you can see the garage door there, and this is my car. This is the side mirror. It's kind of new, but I got tired shooting upstairs, so I was cleaning the garage and I decided I'm going to do a video here about the RX100 as a street camera. So I've been using this camera for a while for doing street photography. By the way, you know, there's the microphone here. Yeah, I'm using this microphone because it has a lot of echo here. I always have to explain. There's a lot of echo around here, and this room is treated. As you can see, the garage doesn't have any carpets or anything, so the sound's going everywhere. So I'm using this microphone. It's kind of weird because there's like a big black here in front of me. So anyway, let's go on. So I'm going to discuss about the RX100 in regards to street photography. This camera is a good tool to doing street photography. The thing is, once you turn it on, it's a bit quick. It's not that quick, but it's a bit quick. You can zoom to 200 and you can get the widest range. It's a 24mm from the full frame perspective. This is a very good camera. It's very fast. Focusing is fast. You can touch to focus, but yeah, I've been using it lately, but the thing is I have some quirks in regards to using this for street photography. And one of them is that this camera here, as you can see, it's nice to do street photography with one hand. I've tried using the GR2 and other cameras. So it's best when you're doing street photography to use only one hand, not use two, because it's when you do this and you do some street photography, people are going to say he's taking a photo. Good thing is it's a small camera. They don't get worried about it, like just like a tourist taking a photo. But the thing is, this one zooms, and yeah, sometimes it intimidates people. The best street photography I know, street photography camera that I know is the GR2 or the GR3. But the thing is, the focusing is not as fast as this, but there are a lot of people who are shooting with that, and that camera has only one focal length. Doesn't zoom out. It doesn't take time for it to turn on. Really good for street photography. Like when there's a moment there, you shoot. One of my quirks here is that, yeah, the zoom. Whenever you turn it on, like you're in a hurry, you see something in the street, you turn it on, and yeah, it's too long. And if you want to hide it in your pocket, you can't hide it in your pocket because you need to turn it off, and it takes some time. Has a lot of sound, uses a lot of battery. So that's one of my quirks. Another thing is that when you're shooting on street, you want to adjust the shutter speed and everything. The only thing with this camera is you can adjust the aperture. You can set the aperture with this or the ISO with this ring. But if you want to adjust the shutter speed, like you're doing outdoors and you just want to change shutter speed, that way it's gonna go fast and it's gonna go dark. Shutter speed adjustment is here. Let me see. It's here. So if you're holding it, you need to, like, if you're holding the camera, you need to adjust it from here. You can't hold it with one hand and adjust it. You need to, like, hold the camera and then slowly adjust this one here. So it's tough. I haven't found a way to set it that way. I'll be the one changing it, unless if you change it to auto or you want to change it to shutter priority or aperture priority, so it changes. But the thing is, I want to take control of my shutter speed. It's tough. I'm really annoyed. But this is a good camera. But if you can see, I've tried the Lumix, I forgot the Ricoh GR2, and it has a shutter button here, and it has another button here. So if you're holding a camera with one hand and trying to shoot street, what's gonna happen is you can just do this, change the settings here, or change the settings here. You can shoot with one hand and then turn it off, put it in your pocket. That's good. This one here, so tough. I'll show you the A6600. It's here. So if I have the A6600, of course, the aperture is changed here, but you're not going to change your aperture. You want to change your shutter speed. Shutter button is around here. So if you're holding this camera with one hand and you want to change it, you just turn this button here. So you're holding it with one hand, turning it, and you can. But apparently this camera is too big. I have a 24mm, which is a good lens. I have a 20mm upstairs. That's from Marlin. It's a pancake lens, but still this camera is big. If you do this, people are gonna see like, what the fuck, he's taking photos. But yes, photography, you need to be discreet, you need to be quick, So when you do this, yeah, change shutter speed. But again, I'm gonna go back to the camera. RX100 is still good for street photography. It's tiny, it's powerful. If you want to do videos with it, you can switch to videos. If you want to do selfie, if you find somebody famous in the street and you want to get a selfie, you can do the selfie screen. Only quirk is if you want to change the settings right away, you'd have to like, it's tough. Like as you can see, I'm going to show you. You're holding the camera this way, so you want to change, you have to reach here. But if you want to change the aperture, you can use this ring, but for one hand shooting, just the shutter button. That's the only thing you can do. So yeah, just my thoughts, just crossed my mind. That's all for today. Bye.